What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today got a bit of an unpackaging video. So I've been waiting a long time for this to restock online. Bit of a backstory, the company is called Hypland. They make really cool anime type products and collabs. So this one is a Hunter x Hunter collab and it's a shirt with Kilua on it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in a sec, but yeah, this thing went out of stock for a very long time and people were reselling it for a lot higher, but they finally emailed me saying they're gonna restock and I was quick on it. But a quick shout out to my friend, he helped me get it actually because shipping to the US is a lot cheaper than the UK. So he bought it, like I paid him to buy it and then he shipped it over to me, but he also made me a little gift, so we'll show you what that is real quick. First things first, have a look at this shirt right here. It's awesome. It's like Kilua with like colored blue eyes. It's a pastel blue kind of shirt. I don't know the color name exactly, but yeah, it has the 3 katakana letters that says Kilua. Yeah, all in all, I'm very happy with the product. I haven't worn it yet, so I'll show you guys what it looks like in a sec, but let's get into the rest of the package. So, of course, there is the Hypland sticker with the logo. It's a colored one too. Pretty neat. Could put it on anything. But they also give you a Hypland wristband, I believe. Oh, that's pretty nice. But yeah, that's all that comes with the t-shirt. But let's see what my friend got me. I say got me, rather he made me this. So he makes custom phone cases out of wood with a machine, and you can engrave whatever design you want on there. I'm gonna leave his Twitter on screen and in the description just to kind of thank him for helping me out and making me this awesome case. So I got a Sakurajima my Bunny Sensei case for my iPhone 11. Looks pretty neat and the quality is pretty good actually. I can see like the case is really durable and I'm really happy with it. So thanks a lot for that, bro. Really appreciate it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this kind of t-shirt, you know? It's not something you see every day, but yeah, Hypland make really cool collabs and a lot of nice products. Mostly it's on the expensive side, but the quality is there, so I can vouch for it if you're willing to spend the extra bucks. But Uniqlo will always be my favorite in my heart, so yeah. Also, look at this JoJo canvas I put up like the other day. Finally giving my room a little bit of a taster of what I enjoy, I guess, but yeah, it looks pretty neat. Nice little addition to the wall considering the whole room is white and you know it's multicolored. So yeah, anyways, let's try this on and see how it looks. Oh, as you can see, this thing looks awesome, and yeah, let's go over it first. So it has the Hunter x Hunter logo on the right side, and on the left sleeve there's a little Hypland logo there. And yeah, in the middle, Kilua with his name and his eyes, and overall I think it's really stylish. It fits perfectly, and I'm a big fan of like bright colored t-shirts. I know they're easy to mess up, but I really like this. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, I don't know, I'm looking forward to wearing this and mixing it up with a few outfits, but for now, pretty clean, you know, pretty clean. I think this is my new favorite shirt. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the description. Let me know if you guys are a fan of anime merch and if you got anything similar to it. But yeah, that's me for now. I finally finished editing a video. I probably put it up before this one. Let me know what you guys think of that. But if you did check this out, thank you very much. And I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Take care and have a good day.